Hi everyone, my name is Aqasha, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these Oreo balls. I don't really know who to give credit to because so many people have done this, but here it is. You're going to need some Oreos, any of your choice. I use the thin ones because I don't like a lot of cream. And then you're also going to need some chocolate. I think that I should have used a different chocolate. You know, like those like chocolate chips, like those like thin chips that you use. I don't know. Anyways, I used two different kinds. I used this chocolate one and this white chocolate one. And you're also going to need some cream cheese. You don't need to have two different chocolates. I just chose to because I wanted it to look a little different for the video. Go ahead and grab some Ziploc bags because you want to smash these Oreos. But if you have a food processor, then it'll be easier for you to smash them. So, you know, use whatever you have. I didn't want to use the food processor for this part of the video because I feel like more people don't have it than do. And I used half of the Oreos in my pack. I don't know if I should call it like a sleeve of Oreos. I don't know. Anyways, just let your anger out on this bag. Like, just smash it, smash. And I think I did this for like 4 minutes. I just did it until I felt like the pieces were small enough to my desire, my liking, because I like them to be very fine. So I crushed them up until they were very, very fine. And then you want to pour it into a bowl, but you don't want to put all of it in there. You want to put like, say like half of it and then mix in the other half later. But also make sure to set aside a tiny bit for later just to use as like a little sprinkle, you know? So this is me putting it back because I realized I poured the entire thing into the bowl. Don't be me, you know, just do what you're supposed to do. So then go ahead and put some cream cheese. I just eyeballed it, so here's how much I put. And just keep mixing it in. It's kind of tough to do it since, like, you know, the cream cheese and the Oreo consistency is so different. As I was mixing, I kept seeing like little white pieces of cream cheese, so just keep doing it. And then once you feel like you've done that enough, go ahead and drop in the other half of the Oreo crumble. Once again, make sure to keep a little bit on the side for sprinkle. So here's how it looks when that's done. I grabbed 2 little bowls for my chocolate chips and then pour the chocolate chips, obviously separate bowls, and then you want to melt them in the microwave. So for this part, it might be good to do it in like 30-second increments, but I got a little impatient, so I did 30 seconds and then like 45 seconds and then I think 20 seconds. And you'll see it written on the screen every time I put the chocolate back in the microwave, how long it was in there for. So just go ahead and grab a chunk and start to roll that in your hand into a ball shape and then set it aside. What I did was I mistakenly did not put them in the freezer, so when I dipped them in the chocolate, they kind of started crumbling. I tested like 2 of them, and then I was like, okay, I need to put them back in the freezer. So I put them back in the freezer for about 5 to 6 minutes, I think it was. And then I tried to do the same method. This is me the first time I was attempting without freezing them. And, you know, it wasn't working. They fell right off the chopstick. I was trying to put a chopstick in there and do it. So this is the second time after it came out of the freezer. I still did not know how to do this. This was like the hardest part of the process for me. By the way, that's sea salt going on top of one of the balls. It's a good little topping, I guess. So I just could not figure it out, like how to put it on there. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end. I hope you guys liked it, and let me know what you guys want to see next time. Thank you. Bye.